getting right on it, guys. Welcome back to part 2 of my relaxer prep slash relaxer touch up. If you've not seen the first part where I base my scalp trying out the new liquid talc, please go check that out first before coming to this. But if you have, thank you so much, I appreciate it. This is not going to be perfect, keeping in mind that I'm giving this relaxer touch up a go by myself. I did not manage to get help this time around. I did prep the length of my hair with Vaseline prior to starting to apply the relaxer on. I am only 3 months post on this video, so I haven't got a lot of new growth, but still a lot of new growth for 3 months post for me anyway. I don't comb through the relaxer once it's applied, but I do smooth it out with just my hands. That's it. Here's a little tricks for you guys. Please do not attempt to relax your own hair by yourself if you can help it, but if you must, like I am now, here's a little trick. So I dedicated a towel to wipe my hand thoroughly from session to session, so I'm not spreading the relaxer everywhere. So when I finish smoothing out the session, I use that towel to completely wipe all the relaxer off my hand for the best part before moving to the next session. And doing so just means my hand is free of relaxer. Usually I double up my gloves, but I didn't have a lot of gloves at home this time, so I just wipe it down really good before moving to, because I am going to touch my hair and before I pat it out. So keep that tip in mind if you must relax your hair by yourself. Do not be spreading that relaxer everywhere. All right.
He works.
Seeing I was only 3 months post, I only used half the relaxer, half the activator. That was more than enough. I neutralized with the Mega Growth Neutralising shampoo, and yeah.
They are making appearance again.
It's Marva King's on the beat.
Marva King,
Yeah, Mr. TW.
the king, you know.
Man and the flyness.
Empire.
Yes, sir. Switch.
It's DY.
The boss.
Level. MR.
This relaxer is awesome. My hair is relaxed, but it's not fried. As you guys can see, it's just brilliant. I hope you guys can find the relaxer. Those of you who are relaxed, have relaxed hair, relaxer that actually can relax your hair but without frying it. That is exactly what this relaxer does for me. My hair is relaxed but it doesn't look fried. I absolutely love this about this. So yeah, all in all, I think I've done really well for myself. You know, considering I did this myself, so I'm so shocked. So yes, I'm proper happy. It's a keeper, guys. The talc liquid definitely is a keeper. Not a single burn. I was parting my hair, moving in there, feeling my scalp. I was so on edge. I thought this is a huge, massive gamble I'm about to take here. Why oh me? But it has paid off. Not a single burn to my scalp. That I'm so relieved. You saw me making a fool of myself because there is no relaxer burn. That is that is what I was aiming for, and I successfully achieved that. I will definitely be replacing this in place of my baby powder. So thank you all so much for sticking with me through all my madness. Trying nonsense out, but yeah, we are.
Money really world. I say money really world.
If you ain't got no money, so tell me what you live for. This life is all about Benjamin. Hey. Money makes it work. Go out to put you where you wanna be. Me go with the high class, dine with the president and fly him on the first class. Oh yeah, yes, money is the key that don't need to read the word. Cause a man without money, such man is a dead man. So wake up from a slumber, hit the street and make some Benjamin. For me, this is not funny. Not to talk of sin, I can't make do what you gotta do to make this money. 247 365 days we hit the streets searching for Mr. Ben and fame. My book is not be what you read on the damn log, living like a day and night. Cause my money pile up, I got the money now that it back can't hold. It's a boss be white, Mr. Fresh Money. Yeah,
CW, money rule the world, money rule the world. CW, money rule the world, money rule the world. CW, money rule the world, money rule the world. CW, money rule the world, money rule the world. CW, money rule the world. I say money. CW, money rule the world, money rule the world. CW, money.
I'm happy with that. Very happy.